Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Green Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.greenshadesonline.com. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here you'll have to enter your email address associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Reset Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Set Up Account link to make one. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Green Employee Portal. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.